All right, so this is super exciting. This is the first in a series, and it's the first time we're really getting into looking at how to use tools you have access to right now to create some really engaging and simple data visualizations. So we're going to start today with Google MyMaps, but first we're going to need some data. So for that, I went to data.colorado.gov. It's run by the state of Colorado. There are tons of sites around like this, but I wanted some very specific information. Since I work in emergency management a lot, I wanted to just know where the fire stations were in Eagle County, all of them. So I went to data.colorado.gov, did a search. I came up with this data set for fire stations in Eagle County. That's exactly what I'm looking for, and I'm going to go ahead and just export it. So I'm going to export it as a CSV, comment separated values. It's basically just a spreadsheet, right? So I go to Google Drive. I've downloaded my file. I'm now going to just add it up into Google Drive so I can use it from there. And when I do that, I want to take a quick look at it and see what kind of information it has in it. All right, so it's got the name, it's got the owners. Perfect. This is all the information that I need. Oh, great. So column I actually has the full address, which is awesome because that is going to make it super easy to plot on a map. So you can tell it's got zip code, town, stuff like that. If your data set has different sections for town, zip, street, and stuff like that, you can use concatenate in Google Sheets to bring that together and make it really easy for Google Maps to, MyMaps to map. So anyway, I got exactly what I need. What I'm now going to do is go to mymaps.google.com. And MyMaps is a really simple map building tool that you can access using your Google account. I'm going to click on Create a New Map. And this couldn't be simpler. Once the map is actually created, I'm going to import. And you can tell CSV is one of the files that we can import, and it's already tied into Google Drive. There is my fire stations sheet. I'm going to click Select. And the first thing it's going to do is prompt me for which column do I want to use to actually put stuff on the map. So in this case, I know that we have a full address column. Super easy. Click that, continue. And in this case, I just want to use the name as the title. And what this is going to do is it's going to grab all the information from that sheet and it's going to put it in kind of an info box in a table format directly on the map. So I've got my name. Cool. I click Finish. It'll take just a few seconds to go through there and you can see what it actually did. So we've got all of the different locations now plotted on a map. And if I click on it, it's got all of the active links, it's got the phone numbers, and it tells me who the station is managed by. So cool. That is just a start. Now, to caveat, I did notice that it did add one location way over here. Clearly our Eagle River Fire Protection District station is not located out by Fleming. Sometimes you're going to get some little errors like that. Simple to do. You just go in, do some data cleanup, and you can reposition that. So we'll get into that as we go further. All right. Hope that helps.